Weighted control points are a brand new feature in Gravity Sketch. We've designed them to give our users more control than ever before over their geometry. To begin, I've started with a chair. I'm going to turn my mirror on. I'm going to grab the geometry and press the blue button on my non-drawing hand. Here, I have all of my edit points as usual, but if I use the grab sphere and push up on the joystick of my dominant hand or down, I can manipulate the influence this one control point has over the entire piece of geometry. The square is the sharpest, and the clover, for example, is the weakest. You can also make your lines not only harder or softer, but thinner or fatter. You can do this by going right to left on the joystick of your dominant hand. So there's up and down, right and left. Up, down, left, right.